Hello guys, today I have iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 11 Pro Max and 12 Pro Max. So today I want to show all you guys about the size of the phones. Okay, let's see. I think the biggest size of the phone is iPhone 8 Plus. So let's compare with the 12 Pro Max. So let's see which one is the bigger. Oh, when we compare it near each other, I think 12 Pro Max is bigger than 8 Plus, but it's longer than 8 Plus. So let's see what is the smallest of the phone. I think iPhone 8 is the smallest one. Size smallest than the other ones. So let's see at the back. So let's see at the back. So how beautiful are they? So you can choose by yourself if you love which one. But for me, I actually love 12 Pro Max because it's the newest one. Thank you for watching.